Good morning everybody, welcome to the first video for chapter 2. In this chapter we will be talking about the arithmetic operations, fractions, negative numbers, formulas and many more. But today we will be concentrating on the arithmetic operations and the order of operations. So let's go! First, the arithmetic operations. Easy because you already know the four most important operations. I'm talking about adding, subtracting, multiplying and dividing. In math, we have special names for the outcome of these operations. If we multiply numbers, then the outcome is called the product of those numbers. So the product of 5 and 2 is 10. The outcome of a division is called the quotient. So the quotient of 20 and 4 is 5. The sum is the outcome of additions. That means that the sum of 13 and 4 is 17. The final operation is subtraction or minus. The outcome of a subtraction is called the difference. So the difference between 9 and 2 is equal to 7. When multiplying, the numbers that we multiply with each other are called factors. If we add or subtract numbers, these numbers are called terms. This might not be very important right now, but in math we use these words quite often. Now on to the main course, the order of operations. In math, arithmetic and everywhere where numbers are, it's important to know how to use these numbers, especially when using multiple operations. So, there are rules. When working with multiple operations, we first need to look for brackets. Everything that's inside brackets gets prioritized when calculating. If we've solved the brackets, we look for multiplications and divisions. If more than one are in a line, you solve them from left to right. Then, and only then, we look for additions and subtractions. And just like multiplying, we do them from left to right. As hearing is pretty easy, let's put our skills to the test. I've prepared a few exercises we can do to test our knowledge. Exercise 1. Skill level, very easy. 17 minus 4 times 2. We look at the order of operations and notice that multiplications come before subtractions. So first we calculate 4 times 2. Our next line will then be 17 minus 8, which is equal to 9. Easy, on to the next one. Exercise 2. Skill level, easy. 8 plus 3 times 4 minus 2. Just like before, multiplying comes before additions and subtracting. So first we calculate 3 times 4. The next line should be 8 plus 12 minus 2. As adding and subtracting have the same priority, we go from left to right. So first we do 8 plus 12, which is 20. And then we subtract 2 to get 18. Nice! Next one! Exercise 3. Skill level, normal. 4 plus 6 divided by 2 plus 7. Brackets are first, so 4 plus 6 equals to 10. We get 10 divided by 2 plus 7. We first do divisions as they are above additions. So 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. And then we take the sum of 5 and 7 to get 12. Perfect! Exercise 4. Skill level, normal. 16 divided by 7 minus 3 times 9. Again, brackets first. 7 minus 3 equals 4. So 16 divided by 4 times 9. As multiplying and dividing are on the same line in the order, we do them from left to right. First, 16 divided by 4, which is 4. And then we multiply 4 and 9 to receive 36. On to the next one. Exercise 5, skill level hard. 12 plus 3 times 5 minus 4 plus 7. Whoa! Brackets inside brackets. That means we first do the smaller brackets. So first 5 minus 4, which is 1. We get the following line. 12 plus 3 times 1 plus 7. Inside the brackets we see multiplying and additions. So we look at the order and notice that multiplying is first. So we get 12 plus 3 plus 7. Then we add the 3 and the 7 to receive 10. And we finally got rid of the brackets. Last line is 12 plus 10, which is 22. Nice. Exercise 6, skill level hard. Final exercise. 9 times 10 minus 2 times 4 plus 1. Again, brackets inside brackets. So first we do 2 times 4, which is 8. We write down our next line and do 10 minus 8. Our answer is 2, and we write that onto the next line. Adding 2 and 1 gives me 3, so our final line should look like this. Now we just have to multiply the 9 and the 3, and we get our final answer, 28. Oh, did I make a mistake? Actually, I knew the answer was 27. But let's look at the scoreboard, shall we? Even though our answer is clearly wrong, I still received most of the points for it. This is because I wrote down all the intermediate steps. So for the last exercise, I would still receive 2 points, meaning I only lost 1 point on my answer. On the other hand, if I would only write down the answer, I would only earn 1 point. And that's only if the answer is correct. So make sure you always write down intermediate steps. In math, you receive a lot of points for your thinking process. So only giving me an answer is not the way to go. Final point for this video, pun intended, is the multiplication dot. When we will be working with formulas in this chapter, we will be using the letter x quite a lot. And if we combine that with the multiplication sign, we might get confused. So, starting today, we will be swapping the multiplication sign with the multiplication dot. It works exactly the same, but instead of a cross, we use a dot. And that's it for today. I hope you've learned a lot and that I will see you next time. In the next video, I will teach you how to find the HCF and the LCM. Both of them are used in fractions. Bye bye!